Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'm going to show you how to enable two-step verification for your YouTube account. Since YouTube is a part of Google, enabling this feature will secure your entire Google account. Two-step verification adds an extra layer of security when you sign it, protecting your account from unauthorized access. You can also disable it anytime you want. So in order to turn it on, you need to go to your profile picture of YouTube in the top right. Navigate to the security and sign in section, which is in the left hand side of the screen. From here, you'll get this section of how you sign in to Google. Under this section, you'll get the option of two-step verification. Go ahead and select it. You need to enter your password of your Google account that is associated with your YouTube. Now tap on turn on two-step verification from the bottom, which is highlighted in blue color. Now tap on turn on two-step verification from the bottom of the screen. But before that, make sure that you add a phone number in your account or an authenticator app. And after selecting your preferred methods, click on turn on at the bottom of your page and your Google account will now be protected with two-step verification. You can use passkeys, security keys, Google prompts, and your phone number for verification. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.